Kabildo sa Straight to the Point.
Okay, joining us live via Zoom. Karong kabuntagon, mga silingan ng Executive Director sa Octa Research, ang atohigalang si Dr. Guido David. Sir, magandang umaga ho, sir, sa inyo. Good morning. Okay, diot lang.
Yes, good morning, June, and sa mga viewers and listeners natin sa Straight to the Point.
Opo, salamat, sir. Sir, please help us understand, sir, ito hong mga figures na amin hong narinig, nabasa, in relation to trust ratings ng mga malalaking opisyal ng ating gobyerno. Ano, sir, what do the data and the figures tell us? Sir?
Yes, the figures show us na, yes, hello, medyo mabagal yung internet ko ngayon, pasensya na.
Sige po, sir.
But the figures show us based on yung Octa Research Survey noong July 2023, 1,200 nationwide respondents. Based dun sa survey, yung trust ratings ng ating top government officials ay nananatiling mataas. Ang ating Pangulo ay still at 75%, more than 7 out of 10 Filipinos. And then for the Vice President, 83%, more than 8 out of 10 Filipinos trust the Vice President. And then Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri,
Opo.
56%, so halos more than half you may trust. And then House Speaker Ferdinand Martin Romualdez, 54% yung trust rating. Although nakikita natin may bahagyang pagbaba sa trust rating ng Pangulo from 83% nung first quarter survey namin
Doc,
down to 75%, pero nananatiling mataas. Yes.
Yes, sir. Ano ho ang posibleng factor, sir, na instead of being in a status quo or perhaps getting higher, may 4 or 8 notches below sila, sir? Both Sara and PBBM. Why is that, sir?
Well, PBBM actually saw a bigger decline sa numbers. I mean, compared to the Vice President, yes. Kasi sa trust, 8 points ang binaba ni PBBM, 83 to 75.
Yes, sir.
And the VP, 4 points yung binaba from 87 to 83. So almost within the margin of error. Well, we have to admit marami tayong challenges at this time. Yung basic goods ay patuloy na tumaas yung presyo ng bilihin. Pati yung fuel prices, hindi pa rin natin na-control yung fuel prices. And yung sa basic goods yung presyo ng bigas, it's still a factor. Pero overall, I would say mataas pa rin itong trust ratings, even with these challenges. Syempre, June, yung first year natin, usually it's a honeymoon period. Mataas pa yung political capital ng ating Pangulo and ng Vice President. And it shows no first year. Second year, usually it starts to
taper down.
Yes, well, it becomes parang kumaga tapos na yung honeymoon stage. So it starts to reflect on the people na yun nga kung may mga pangyayari and it shows the numbers na yun nga yung mga challenges na hinaharap natin, although the economy is continuing to stay strong, pero yun nga, may mga challenges sa job, maybe may mga iba pang other factors. Unfortunately, hindi namin tinanong sa respondents kung ano yung mga dahilan, pero ito yung na-infer natin dahil siguro sa mga challenges.
Okay. Doc, which brings me to my final question. Ano po ang level po naman ng optimism versus pessimism ng Pilipino? Ang Pilipino ba ay optimistic pa rin or hindi na?
Well, actually, napaka-optimistic.
Optimistic pa rin?
Yes, lumabas yan sa ating survey. Sorry, nawala yung prompt ko ng sa optimism. Pero yung lumabas sa survey natin on optimism, June,
yes, sir,
ay ito
Sige po, sir. Take your
So,
time, sir.
ang lumabas, yes, so regarding
Mataas pa rin
sa
ba, sir?
optimism, sorry, ito na ito. Oh, yes. 55% in the country are optimistic.
Okay.
Na sa tanong na, in your opinion, what will be the quality of life over
Ayun.
the next 6 months?
Okay.
55% nagsabi
Optimistic.
will be better. Ang nagsabing will be worse, yung mga pessimist, 4% lang.
Maliit lang.
Nasaan yung iba? Maliit lang yung pessimistic na mas magiging mas sasama yung situation. Yes, 4% lang. 55% yung optimistic. Anong iba? Yung 36% sabi,
undecided.
baka parehas lang naman. Hindi na mag-i-improve or magiging worse. So, nananatiling optimistic ang ating mga kababayan. And I think that's the nature of our mga kababayan natin, mga Filipinos. We're very resilient. And that's why we can go through difficult times. Kinakaya natin. We find ways to navigate difficult times.
Okay. Doc, salamat ng marami from our end, Doc. Salamat sa opinion polling po at sa mga data and figures na na-share ninyo. Salamat, sir, ng marami. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Jun. Yes, as always, at magandang umaga. At pag may mga additional data kami, isi-share namin sa inyo para ma-share na rin sa mga kababayan natin.
It would be our honor, sir. Salamat, sir. Thank you. Dr. Guido David, Executive Director Megala sa polling entity Megala or outfit nga Okta Research.
Straight